morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this wonderful world. Welcome to EOB of the South. Today I will share with you my 4-bean chili recipe. I'm making a large batch of chili, so this is 8 cups of the 3-bean mix I purchased at Azure Standard. I'm adding a tablespoon of baking soda to the beans while soaking them because it helps release the gases in the beans. I thawed 10 pounds of meat. I purchased my beef from a place called Simpson's Meat in Knoxville, Tennessee. I really like that company. With this chili recipe, you don't have to use beef. You can use ground turkey, ground chicken, or you can go totally vegan and just use the beans. It will be delicious, however you decide to cook it. Because of the amount of chili that I'm making, I'm using cups of measurement for spices. You can adjust accordingly. I've placed the meat in the pot with a quart of water, and I am adding a cup of garlic powder. My next ingredient will be a half a cup of kosher sea salt. I am adding 7 bay leaves to the pot of chili. Now I'm adding one of my favorite spices, smoked paprika. This measurement is a tablespoon and a half, so I'm adding 3 tablespoons. Three tablespoons of non-salt seasoning, similar to Dash. 3 tablespoons of parsley. 1 cup of dark chili powder. 1 cup of Azure chili seasoning and a half a cup of cumin. 1.5 tablespoons of white pepper. 2 cups of chunky mixed sweet peppers. 1 chunky cut onion. Ten cans of 14.5 ounces of stewed tomatoes. Adding 1 stick of butter to the pot and afterwards adding the beans. Use olive oil if you're going vegan with the recipe. Adding 1 pound of cooked organic black beans after rinsing them thoroughly. You may also use dry black beans and add them to the beginning of the recipe by soaking them with the 3-bean chili beans. I'm stirring in all the ingredients. I've turned the pot up to boil. And now I'm adding 3 cans of tomato paste. It's coming to a boil. It smells really good. And I'm stirring it slowly, just mixing up the ingredients. I'll can most of this chili, and it will last a while. And I'll share some with friends. I like to make it because it's very versatile. You can eat it over rice. You can put it on hot dogs. You can add cheese to it. You can use it in a homemade taco salad. I mean, it is very versatile. adding a cup of white sugar. It helps balance out the acidity in the tomatoes. Cover and cook for 2 hours on low, checking it periodically. Now I am preparing my jars in the oven, sterilizing them to can my chili. Woot woot! Stirring the chili. It's looking good. It's smelling good, but it's not quite there yet. But stir it because you don't want anything sticking at the bottom of the pot. I am canning the chili now. Please refer to the USDA guide on canning at home for your area. Thank you so much for joining me today and watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed sharing recipes with me. Thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.